Hey guys, welcome again to my channel Bihar Royals. I hope that you are enjoying my video, and before starting my video I'm again saying you to please subscribe my channel, like and share to your more friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start our whatever we have yesterday or whatever we have read in last class. But today we are doing our XP Baxi written XP Baxi writer, which book's name is Objective General English, Chapter 1, Function of Tense, and we are doing workbook exercise number D. Today we will do exercise number D. But before starting our exercise, we have to know what is past indefinite tense or simple past. So let's do it. Okay, let's start. Past indefinite tense, which is habitual action. This tense is used for a past habit indicated generally by often, seldom, usually, normally, generally, occasionally, sometime, ever, always, frequently, rarely, daily, used to, would, etc. For example, they are never drank wine. Second example, he always carried an umbrella. Third example, I used to go to Delhi by train. Fourth example, she would go there daily. In fourth this fourth example, you are seeing that there is using of a past tense. Now, it is also said that this tense is also used for a single act completed in the past. A definite point of a time is denoted by since, ever since, earlier, ago, back, before, last, yesterday, the other day, any point of a time in the past, etc. For example, I meet your brother yesterday. She bought a car 2 years ago. Here it is saying that this tense used as a single compared in the past. It is used to definite point. As you see in the example, it is wrong to say, and if we don't use this, then it's wrong is I have met your brother yesterday. This sentence is wrong, and the correct one is what we are studying now. I met your brother yesterday. And second, she has bought a car 2 years ago. It is also wrong, because we used here, it will remove has, because has is not used in past tense, it is a present tense, so it is wrong, and the correct one is she bought a car 2 years ago. Note, present perfect plus point of time equal to simple past. If someone will ask you that how can simple past form, then you said present perfect plus point of time is equal to simple past. Here we see that present perfect plus point of a time is equal to simple past, and you know about the structure of simple past, that structure of simple past is subject plus verb to plus object. You have to keep this in your mind, that the phrase structure or a rule of a simple past tense or a past indefinite tense is subject plus verb to plus object. And here the point of time denotes the time when the action takes place. Point of a time denotes the time when the action takes place in present, past, future tense. For example, I come here every Sunday. The example which here is given, that I come here every day Sunday. Here it is also a point of a time, because it denote a point of time, as Sunday is a point of time. Sunday is point of time, and it is here saying that simple past tense also denote point of time. And in second example, we see that I went to Delhi yesterday. Here is also yesterday is a point of time, and went is a second form of verb, so it is simple past tense. Third, I shall go 3 tomorrow. I shall go there tomorrow. Here you can also see that tomorrow is a point of a time. Here in three example, we share that if first is example come is present, second is past, and third is future. In all three tense, there is a point of time. It's not that it is past in only in past, only in future, or only in present. It is used in three on all three tense. Here present tense, present tense, and past tense, and also in future tense. There is no of it that it only used in future or past. Now time expression. For time expression, look up perfect. Here we know that what is past, simple past tense, and we learned their concept. And now let's come to our workbooks exercise number E. So direction: make the sentence using past indefinite tense with suitable forms of verb given in the bracket. We have to use the past indefinite tense, and the suitable forms of verb is given in the bracket. So let's come to first number. We dash a terrifying news last night. Here it is asking we dash a terrifying news last night, and given example is here. As we know that simple past tense structure is subject plus verb 2 plus object. So second form of here is heard. So answer will be heard. We heard a terrifying news last night. I repeat again, we heard a terrifying news last night. Now let's come to second number. They dash their success 2 days ago. They dash their success 2 days ago. Here given bracket is celebrate. Here it is also asking that they dash their success 2 days ago, means they whatever does is past in 2 days ago. And here given bracket is celebrate, and the second form of celebrate is celebrated. So answer will be celebrated. They celebrated their success 2 days ago. Answer will be celebrated. Now let's come to third number. Third question is the police dash the dacoits at 9 p.m. The police dash the dacoits at 9 p.m. and here the bracket is giving catch. It is the simple. It is we have to change it into simple past tense, and the verbs second form of catch is couch. So the answer will be the police couch the dacoits at 9 p.m. I repeat again, the police couch the dacoits at 9 p.m. Now next come to our fourth number. Seema dash her lost book an hour before. Seema dash her lost book an hour before. Here bracket is giving not find. Not find, it is negative. Not, we know it is negative. So we know that when we start negative, first we have to use helping verb. Negative can't come use at first, as we have to use some helping verb which is do, does, did, and this all three depends on the tense. If it is present, then does. If it is past, then did, and so we use does, do, and did. Here it is simple past tense. Here it is asking not find, so we use did not, and where did not come, it is used first form of verb, and the verb will not change. So answer will be Seema did not find. It is used find is all same as find, because we can't change into second form. So the answer will be Seema did not find her lost book an hour before. Seema did not find her lost book an hour before. Now next come to our fifth number. Now sixth number. My teacher dash a book last year. My teacher dash a book last year, and here bracket is giving write, and the second form of write is wrote. So the my teacher wrote a book last year. Now next come to seventh number. As a boy, I often dash to school on a foot. As a boy, I often dash to school on a foot. Go. The second form of go is went, so we are used as a boy I often went to school on foot. Now further move to 8 number. My friend frequently dash his hometown in the past, and here bracket is giving visit. My friend frequently dash his hometown in the past, and Here it is given visit. So second form of visit is visited, so answer will be visited. My friend frequently visited his hometown in the past. Now comes to ninth number. He dashed to his home every weekend. He dashed to his home every weekend. And here the bracket is giving come, so the second form of come is came. So answer will be he came to his home every weekend. He came to his home every weekend. Now let's come to last and 10th number, which is our last. So I seldom dash a queue even when there was balance in my account. I seldom dash a queue ever even when there was a balance in my account, and here bracket is giving right. I seldom wrote. Second form of write is wrote. I seldom wrote a cube even when there was balance in my account. The answer will be wrote. So my this video has ended, and thank you for enjoying my this video. And if you have any doubt, or if you want that there is invade in my video, so you have to comment in the comment box or comment chat. Thank you for my this video, and my new video will come soon. Thank you and goodbye.